Hey guys, I'm going to show you some transitions from primary to secondary real quick. All right.
I'm just kind of here. Yeah.
So your primary is always the rifle in this situation, and then I've got my Glock as my secondary. And just for safety's sake, see, unloaded magazine, clear firearm. All right. The Glock, unloaded magazine, clear. And for the reloads, clear magazines. Okay. Clear all the way around. All right. Your primary is up. All right. When contact, I'll have Tyson yell at contact. Okay. I'll roll up. I will pretend to shoot 2 rounds. And then we'll say that there's a malfunction with the rifle. All right. So what we're going to do, I'll roll up, bang, bang, 2 rounds. And then it's important to transition out. All right. That's how this drill's going to go. Take me to dinner first. All right. You ready? I'm in a low ready right now. Tyson, on your go.
Contact!
Bang, bang. Malfunction. Pew, pew. All right. Recover. Reload. Just in case a new contact arises. Reholster. I missed. Reholster. All right. We're going to run that one more time, and I'm going to go live. Not live, but real time. Ouch.
Shit happens, bro.
All right. Low ready, on your go.
What surprise you? You ready?
Yep.
Contact!
Ah, bang, bang.
That was a flawless reload.
Thanks, my dude.
That was beautiful.
A little tidbit on transitioning to your secondary. Some things that you should know. I have a single point sling flung over my left arm. So when I'm up and I transition, left hand goes over the top of my rifle. All right. I let go of the grip hand. Left hand throws the rifle to my back. As that's happening, right hand is drawing the firearm. Secondary, sorry. When the support hand has finished throwing the rifle around, it comes back up into the workspace and back up to meet your secondary. All right, so you're in proper stance. Once you recover, you administer your reload. All right, reholster, hand goes back. You also need to figure out what the hell happened to your primary that caused it to go out of battery. All right, clear your rifle, fix it up, fresh maggot. Capiche? Now, once we start getting really intricate with it, you don't want to ever not have a gun ready to go in the fight. So I will show you what I mean. All right, on your go, Tyson.
All right. You ready?
Ready.
Contact!
Bang, bang. Bang, bang. So at that point, what I did is when I went to reholster my secondary, before I completely reholstered it, all right, you notice that I grabbed my rifle, all right. As I bring the rifle around, I check it to figure out why it's out of battery. And in this case, it was just the magazine was empty, all right. So I reholstered the Glock and immediately threw my rifle up and grabbed a fresh magazine. Once my primary was back in battery, ready to go, I did one last recover, then I was clear. The reason that last part is so important is because in a live hostile environment, you never want to not have a firearm ready to go in the event you start taking fire after the all clear has been given. You never know when it's going to pop back off. All right, so I encourage people to train like that as often and as much as you can. I'm just going to run the drill a couple times with Tyson's help, all right?
Contact.
Bang, bang. Bang, bang.
Beautiful. Just like you.
Oh, thanks. I got you. Reset. Ready, on you go. All right. Beautiful weather.
Contact.
Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang. I stumbled with the rifle when I got it back.
Practice makes perfect.
Practice makes perfect. I'm pretty good, but I'm not great. Fuck out of here. All right. That's all I've got for the rifle drill. Remember, like and subscribe, share this video, follow us on our social media accounts. What are they?
We got Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat now. Snapchat.
Instagram, all the jazz. If you follow us on Snapchat right now, you're already watching all the behind the scenes footage. I don't know why I did that. All the behind the scene footage of what's going on out here today in the desert. Also, we'll be posting up a new video on fighting in your vehicle here in a day or two. Make sure you tune in, check that out. You're gonna love it.
Thank you guys for hanging out with us. It's hot as balls out, but it was a fun video to make. Always enjoy hanging out with you guys. Thank you.